Welcome to Virgin Media. This video will take you through setting up your new kit step by step. It'll take over 30 minutes. You'll see this icon when we think it'd be helpful for you to pause the video. Feel free to pause at other times too. Let's start by installing your broadband. For this bit, you'll need the hub power supply, and the isolator cable. You can pause the video now while you get them together. Ready? Great! This next section will take about 30 minutes. Connect the cable with the red end to the wall socket. Remember to check it's secure. Join the two parts of the power supply together. Take the end of the isolator cable with the black band and push it firmly onto the socket of your new hub. And then you can plug the power supply into the mains. Connect the other end to the hub. Then switch on at the mains. And at the back of the hub. Your new hub will now make a connection to our network. This may take a few minutes, and the lights on your new hub will flash as it connects. When the Wi-Fi light is on and the base light is solid white, you are ready to move on. The arrows may still be flashing green. Your Wi-Fi network will be called something like VM123456. All the details you need to get online are on the bottom of your hub and on the little card. You can now connect your computer and any other devices to Wi-Fi. Once the download is complete and installed, the only light on your new hub will be the base light, which will be solid white. And that's it, you're done. Nice one. Take a look at your Discover guides for more handy tips on your shiny new services, or go to virginmedia.com/help for more help and support.